Why do bad things happen to good people?
If one has faith, then all things have meaning.
But why would the Lord allow these tragedies to happen? Does the Lord, as Mr. Frank suggests, allow suffering?
I asked for strength, and God gave me difficulties to make me strong. I asked for wisdom, and God gave me problems to solve. I asked for prosperity, and God gave me a brain and brawn to work. I asked for courage, and God gave me dangers to overcome. I asked for favors, and God gave me opportunities. And I asked for love, and God gave me troubled people to help.
But what does that have to do with my question, sir?
My prayers were answered.